Hello students, I am your physical education teacher. Today we will discuss about the section B. In this section you have to choose two games of 50 marks. And today we will discuss about the basketball game. So let's start. First of all, knowledge of the game. Basketball is a team sport. Two teams of 5 players. 5 players means playing players and 7 are substitutes, extra players. 5 players each try to score by shooting a ball through a hoop elevated 10 feet above the ground. Means जो 5 playing players हैं, they will try to basket in a hoop. The game is played on a rectangular floor, is called court, and there is a hoop at each end. The court is divided in two main sections by the mid-court line. After that, the ball is moved down the court towards the basket by passing or dribbling only. No holding, no running with the ball is allowed. That will be a violation. The team with the ball is called offense. The team without the ball is called defense. Means which team has a ball, that is called offense, and which team hasn't ball, that is called defensive team. And they try to steal the ball, contest shoots, steal and deflect passes. After that, when a team makes a basket, they score 2 points and the ball goes to the other team. If a basket or field goal is made out of the 3-point arc, then the basket is worth 3 points. A free throw is worth 1 point. And free throw are awarded to team according to some formats involving the number of fouls committed in half और टाइप ऑफ फाउल कमिटेड. मीन्स फ्री थ्रो आपको वैसे अवार्ड मिलेगी जैसा आपका फाउल होगा दूसरी टीम का, एंड किस हाफ पे और किस प्लेस पे फाउल हुआ उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको फ्री थ्रोज अवार्डेड होंगी, 1 और 2 और 3 फ्री थ्रो. ओके. आफ्टर दैट there are 4 quarters of 10 minutes each with the 10-minute interval. Means duration of the match, first half 10 minutes, after that 2-minute rest, after that 10-minute play, after that 10-minute interval, after that 10-minute play again, and 2-minute rest, after last is 10-minute quarter. Total 40-minute match will be there. After that, rules and regulations of the game. These you have to learn properly because most of the questions will be from these rules and regulations and terminologies only. First of all, number of teams 2, a number of court players in a team means playing players 5 players are there, a number of substitutions in a team 7 are total players 12, size of the court 28 length and 15 meter breadth will be there. Radius of the center circle 1.80 meter. Breadth of the boundary lines 5 centimeter. Means जो boundary lines है उनकी breadth कितनी होगी 5 centimeter. After that, thickness of the backboard जो आपकी basket के पीछे वाला board है 3 centimeter. Height of the lower edge of the board from the floor. Means height कितनी है lower edge तक backboard की, that is 2.9 meter. After that, circumferences of the ball 75 to 78 centimeter. Weight of the ball 600 to 650 gram. Duration of the game 10 to 10-10. Interval 10 to 2-minute rest 10-10. Okay. After that, interval between two durations. 2 durations के बीच में जो interval है break है that is 10 minute. Means first 10-minute play will be there, after that 2-minute rest, after that 10-minute play and 10-minute interval, after that 10-minute play 2-minute rest, after last is the 10-minute quarter. Okay. After that, officials. How many officials will be there? In basketball, 5 officials will be there. Referee, umpire, scorer, timekeeper, 24-second operator, and after that we will discuss the playing code. Playing code means, so this is your playing code. Okay, playing code shall have flat, hard surface from the obstructions with dimension of the 28 will be length and 15 meter breadth will be there. Okay, from the sideline edge of the boundary lines. After that, lines हमने breadth of the lines की है 5 सेंटीमीटर, मीन्स कितनी मोटाई होगी जो लाइंस मार्क की जा रही हैं कोड की, दैट विल बी 5 सेंटीमीटर. बाउंड्री लाइंस, हाउ मैनी बाउंड्री लाइंस आर देयर? 2 end lines, 2 side lines. These lines are not part of the playing code. Any obstructions including seater team bench personal shall be at least 2 meters from the playing court. After that, center line, center circle and semicircle will be there. This is a center circle, semicircle and semicircles. 3 circles are there in this code. And the center circle shall be marked in the center of the playing code and have a radius of 1.80 meter. And जो semicircles हैं, semicircle shall be marked on the playing code with the radius of 108 meter. तीनों के जो radius हैं same होंगे 108 meter. Okay. And जो center line है, this is a center line जो center circle के बीच में से निकल रही है. ठीक है, जो क्या करेगी? The center line shall be marked parallel to the end lines from the mid point of the side lines. Side lines के mid point से बिल्कुल जो 28 को हाफ करके सेंटर लाइन ड्रॉ की जाएगी. It shall extended 15 सेंटीमीटर बियॉन्ड ईच लाइन, मीन्स थोड़ी 15 जो सेंटीमीटर है वो बार को ड्रॉ की जाएंगी, एक्सटेंड की जाएंगी दोनों साइड से. ओके. आफ्टर दैट, in a code, free throw lines, restricted area and free throw rebound places there. A free throw line shall be drawn parallel to each end line. It shall have its farthest edge 5.80 meter from the inner edge of the end line and shall be 3.60 meter long. After that, free throw rebound place along the restricted area reserved for players during free throws shall be marked. वहाँ यहाँ से आपने फ्री थ्रो जब आपको मिलेगी लेनी है, दिस इज़ दैट पार्ट, फ्री थ्रो rebound area. After that, 3-point field goal area. A team's 3-point field goal area shall be the entire floor area of the playing court except the area near the opponent's basket, limited by and including, means जो opponent कोर्ट प्लेयर्स की बास्केट है उसके अलावा जहाँ से भी आप बास्केट करोगे वो फ्री थ्रो 3 पॉइंट ही मिलेंगे उसके, वो सारा एरिया जो है 3 पॉइंट फील्ड गोल एरिया ही होगा. आफ्टर इसकी मेजरमेंट कितनी है? 2 पैरेलल लाइंस एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द एंड लाइंस विद द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 0.9 मीटर फ्रॉम द साइड लाइन. साइड लाइन से 0.9 मीटर छोड़कर एक जो बड़ी सी डी बनी है दैट इज़ अ 3 पॉइंट फील्ड गोल एरिया, उसके बाहर वाला. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट, टीम कॉम्बिनेशन. इन टीम, each team shall consist of no more than 12 players. 12 players will be there. A coach. If a team wishes, an assistant coach will be there. A maximum of 5 team followers who may sit on the team bench. And 5 players from each team shall be on the playing court during the playing time and may be substituted. Whenever they want substitute, then that player can change. After that, uniforms. What about uniforms? Shirts of the same dominant color from front and back. All the players must tuck their shirts into their playing shorts. Shorts of the same dominant color from front and back, but not necessary of the same color as the shirts. After that, important question is this: duties of captain. What will be a duties of captain? The captain is player designated by his coach to represent his team on the playing court. Means the captain will represent his team on the playing court. Only he may communicate in the courteous manners with the official during the game to obtain information. If any information he want to obtain, then only only captain will communicate with the officials. However, only when the ball becomes dead and game clock is stopped, only then he can communicate with the officials. Now, playing time, tied score and extra period. What is playing time? The game shall consist of 4 periods of 10 minutes, means 40-minute game will be there. 2-minute break will be there first and second period, and 2-minute break will be there in between the third and fourth period. At 10 or 15 minute will be half time or interval. Tied score. If the score is tied at the end of the playing time for the fourth period, the game shall continue with as many extra period of 5 minutes as is necessary to break the tie. Means if same score are there at the end of the playing time for the fourth period, the game shall continue with as many extra period of 5 minutes. After that extra period, if an extra period is required as a result of this free throw, then all fouls that are committed after the end of the playing time shall be considered. Then the beginning and end of the period of the game, means गेम कैसे स्टार्ट होगी एंड कैसे गेम का एंड पीरियड होगा. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट पीरियड बिगिंस व्हेन द बॉल इज लीगली टैप्ड बाय जंपर और जंप बॉल. मीन्स जब क्या है, रेफरी जंप बॉल से मैच स्टार्ट करेगा एंड जो जंपर है टैप कर देगा लीगली बॉल को. देन द फर्स्ट पीरियड विल बिगिंस. आफ्टर दैट ऑल अदर पीरियड्स बिगिंस. मीन्स जब कोई बॉल डेड हो जाती है, जब मैच गेम स्टॉप होती है, आउट ऑफ द प्ले चलेगी बॉल, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ऑल अदर पीरियड बिगिन. when the ball touches or is legally touched by a player of the playing court after the throw in. means throw in मिलेगी. throw in करने के बाद जब बॉल लीगली टच कर जाएगी कोर्ट को या किसी प्लेयर को, then all other period will be begins. The game can't begin if one of the team is not on the playing court with 5 players ready to play. Then team shall exchange the basket for the second half. In all extra periods, the team shall continue to play towards the same basket as in the fourth period. मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा टाइम के दौरान, एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड के दौरान क्या है, टीम्स सेम बास्केट में ही प्ले करेंगी जैसे उनका फोर्थ पीरियड था. एंड अ पीरियड, एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड और गेम शेल एंड व्हेन द गेम क्लॉक सिग्नल साउंड्स for the end of the playing time. Then that is the end period of the game. Okay, when the game clock signal sounds for the end of the playing time. After that, status of the ball. What is the status of the ball? Means when ball will be live or when ball will be dead. Okay, during the jump ball, the ball is legally tapped by a jumper, then ball becomes live. During the free throw, the ball is at the disposal of the free thrower shooter, then also ball becomes live. During a throw in, the ball is at the disposal of the player taking the throw in. Then also ball become live. Now the ball becomes dead when any field goal or free throw is made. After that ball becomes dead means जब भी कोई फील्ड गोल हो गया या फ्री थ्रो आपने बास्केट में डाल दिया, then ball become dead and ball रेफरी के पास जाएगी. आफ्टर दैट रेफरी विल गिव यू बॉल. An official blow his whistle while the ball is live. In these conditions, ball become dead. After that, goal means when goal score will be there. A goal is credited to the team attacking the opponent's basket. A goal from a free throw counts 1 point, and goal from the 2-point field goal area counts 2 points. A goal from the 3-point field goal area counts 3 points. Means free throw counts 1 point, 2-point field goal area counts 2 points, and 3-point field goal area counts 3 points. And if a player accidentally score a field goal in his own basket, the goal counts 2 points. And if player deliberately scores a field goal in his own basket, it is a violation and the goal doesn't count. After that, throw in means जब आप throw in कर रहे हो, then a player taking a throw in is shall not means उसके जो है वो क्या क्या नहीं कर सकता. He or she can't take more than 5 seconds to release the ball for throw in, and he or she not step into the playing court while having the ball in his hand, and touch the ball on the playing court before it has touched another player, and cause the ball to enter the basket directly. And during the throw in, other players shall not means जो ग्राउंड वाले प्लेयर्स हैं वो क्या नहीं कर सकते. Have any part of their bodies over the boundary line before the ball has been thrown across the boundary line. Throw in means जब तक थ्रो इन वाला प्लेयर बॉल थ्रो इन नहीं करता तो क्या है, एनी पार्ट ऑफ देयर बॉडीज ओवर द बाउंड्री लाइन नहीं जाना चाहिए बाहर. ठीक है. To be closer than 1 meter to the player taking the throw in when the out of the bounds area, free from obstructions at the throw in place, is less than 2 meter to the boundary lines. means 2 meter से ज़्यादा आपको बाउंड्री लाइन के अंदर खड़े हो. After that, time out. Each time out shall last 1 minute or 60 seconds. जो भी आप टाइम आउट लेते हो ड्यूरिंग द प्ले, दैट विल बी 1 minute. अ टाइम आउट मे बी ग्रांटेड ड्यूरिंग द टाइम आउट अपॉर्चुनिटी. वेन एवर टाइम आउट अपॉर्चुनिटी विल बी देयर, देन ओनली यू कैन टेक टाइम आउट. टाइम आउट whenever the time out opportunity will be there, when both the teams the ball becomes dead. For the both teams ball become dead, the game clock is stopped and the official has ended his communication with the scorer table. मीन्स दोनों टीम के लिए बॉल डेड होगी एंड जो गेम क्लॉक है वो भी स्टॉप होगा. देन यू कैन आस्क फॉर द टाइम आउट. And for both teams the ball becomes dead following a successful last or only free throw. For the non scoring team a field goal is scored. कब बॉल डेड होगी. ठीक है. And a timeout opportunity ends when the ball is at the disposal of the player for a throw in or a first or only free throw. Then your timeout opportunity will be ended. After that, substitutions. A team may substitute a player during a substitution opportunity. Means substitution भी आप तभी ले सकते हो जब आपके पास substitution opportunity होगी. ये भी सेम जो conditions time out की थी, same conditions are there. A substitution opportunity begins for both teams. The ball become dead, the game clock is stopped, and the official has ended to his communication with the team's scorers table. For the both teams, the ball become dead following a successful last or only free throw. And the non-scoring team, a field goal is scored in the last 2 minutes of the fourth period. Then in these conditions, you will have a substitutions opportunity. Then only you can take a substitution. After that, 3 seconds rule. This is a very important question. 3-second rule, 8-second rule, 24-second rule, personal foul, double foul, penalty, duties of referee. These are very, very important questions. First of all, what is the 3-second rule? 3-second rule, a player shall not remain in the opponent's restricted area for more than 3 consecutive seconds while his team is in control of a live ball in the front court and the game clock is running. मीन्स क्या है, कोई भी प्लेयर ओपोनेंट के रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया में मोर देन 3 सेकेंड्स नहीं रुक सकता. दैट विल बी अ फाउल. So that's all about up to 3-second rule. Other part of this game we will discuss in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.